Melanie. I ordered my very first box from Grove Collaborative. I paid for everything in here, but I got an extremely good deal on it. So I'm gonna unbox it with you guys, see if it smells good, because I've never tried Meyer's, only other stuff, and we'll see how it goes. So let's do this. Hey it's guys, it's Melanie. Dollar Tree DIY storage solutions for small houses. Let me show you what I got. I washed all of my clothes together. Let's go make something. All right, so I've been trying more like organic kind of cleaners, especially the bedrooms, because you know I'm not breathing bleach and stuff. And everything I've tried smells like vinegar, and I don't like the smell of vinegar. And if you do, I'm so happy for you, but I don't. So I'm hoping this doesn't. I'm gonna show you guys how much I paid for these things, what items for free, what the real price was, and that stuff. And this is some fall edition. Fall is coming, it's September. It was like 80 something degrees today here in Cincinnati, but I wanted to put on my scarf because it's fall. So some things are fall, some things are just regular. I'm rambling. Let's do this. Okay, so first thing, just pull it closer to me. Okay, first thing are the sprays. This is what I was mostly wanting, and this is the Meyer's cleaning stuff. This is one of the freebies. So with your first order of like $20 or something, you get so many freebies. If you spend more money, you get more freebies, that kind of stuff. So this was one of the freebies. It is the pumpkin scent. This is one that I purchased, and it was the lemon scent. And then this one is apple cider scent. So it's either gonna smell like vinegar and apples or really good. So we'll see. But this is the one I'm hoping to use year round. So I'm gonna smell this one first. I know I've never had Meyer's. I usually get, there's a Kroger brand, and then the other brand, I forget what it is, the other name brand. This smells like, this actually smells like lemons. That doesn't smell like vinegar. All right, hold on. Now I have higher hopes. I'm gonna try this one. This is the pumpkin spice, or spiced pumpkin, sorry. Spiced pumpkin is pumpkin spice, right? Let's see. That smells like I don't know, like a really rich, very strong pumpkin smell, but it's really good. I'm wondering if this cleans well, because what are the ingredients? Contains fragrance, oil peel. Yeah, there's definitely no vinegar in here. I'm wondering. All right, this one I'm excited about. I feel like this one I can get away with using for like Christmas too, if I can get it open. Oh my God. Is apple cider limited edition? Yeah, it's limited edition. Oh my gosh, I might order more of that. It literally just smells like apple cider. How does that not smell like vinegar? This is not sponsored, by the way. I paid for this stuff. That's amazing. Okay, so if you buy so much, you get your first order free. So I'll tell you guys what I got. I got this for free. I got, it's all pumpkin because it's fall, so I guess it depends on season. I got the hand soap for free. It's in pumpkin. I got these scrubbers for free, 2 of them. I got dish liquid, pumpkin spice dish liquid. I'm so excited about it. And I think that was everything that I got for free for that. And then I spent like the next tier up or something, so I got my free bucket also. So I'll show you my bucket. It's one of those like cleaning buckets you see on like all the advertisements and stuff. I'll just set that there. So I'm wondering if this smells as good as this stuff. Do I have everything out of here? Yeah, there's some more stuff that I paid for, and I'll show you guys that in a minute. So these are my free things. Okay, I wanna know if this smells good. I can't smell it. There might be a little thing in there. Totally is. Oh, no, it's open. I can't smell it very well. It's kind of open. It's very faint. The dish soap, I don't know if I would spend money on the dish soap. I mean, for free, heck yeah, I'll take it. It's just so faint. I mean, I guess it really doesn't matter, right? Because you're gonna wash your dishes and you don't want them to smell. But I wouldn't like put out like the extra money just for this. If like, I wouldn't pay extra for this, if that makes sense, for the scent. This I would. If my whole house is gonna smell like this, And then they gave me the hand soap of the spiced pumpkin. Let's smell it. Oh, that smells so similar to this. I don't know what they use in the fragrance to make it smell that so good. I don't know, y'all. This is the bomb. I hope they come out with something for Christmas too. And then these are they're just scrubber pads. I'm assuming they work well. I hope so. All right, so what I actually paid for, I bought these. These were about like 20% cheaper than they are at Target, which surprised me. Plus I got free shipping. Plus some of these scents are only for like Grove. So I was like, okay, I'll try it. And in order to get the free bucket, I was like, I may as well get this stuff while it's a little bit cheaper and then just stock up and then get my free cute little bucket because I just wanted the bucket. So I got these. They're just the refills because it was cheaper to do this than to buy these. So a spray bottle has 16 and this has 32, so it's literally twice as much for less than twice the price. So there you go. Anyway, I just got lemon because I figured lemon was the easiest scent and I would like it year round and I can use it whenever, and it was a really good price. So I bought 4 because they were like a really good price. So I got those, and then I wanted to try this. So this is, I don't know what this is. It reminds me, the bottle, I don't think it's bleach at all, reminds me of like the Comet bleach. It's, how do I say this? Bonami. I don't know. America's original non-scratching cleanser, no harsh chemicals. It's hypoallergenic, no chlorine, perfume, or dye. If you guys don't know, I have a lot of allergies. Like, it's insane. And I'm having a flare-up right now, and everything I touch, I'm having an allergic reaction to. So I'm hoping this might help because I like to clean stuff. Made with biodegradable cleaning agents. Okay, but what is it made with? Contains limestone. I'm not 100%, but these were like $1 or something. They were like, the price was comparable to Comet. So if these clean as well, yes, I got a lot. If these clean as well as the Comet does, then I'm super excited to try it. So my order total was like $48 total, and let me justify that. So I'm gonna go on to Target's website, which no hate, no shade to Target because I love Target. So let's look for a Myers, I think they just call this all surface cleaner. Yeah, Myers. All right, one of these at Target is $5. And one of these at Target is $9. So if I would have ordered 4 of these at Target at $9, that would have been $36. And this is what, $5? So here's $46 right here. So yeah, I was pretty happy about it. So anyway, that was my total. I love that the Myers in general, you can order from wherever. The Grove had the sale, the Grove Collaborative, and then you can get some free stuff. So that was exciting. So I'm going to show you guys everything I got. I don't know, I like it. It does automatically send you, like, sign you up for like a subscription service where they will like send you stuff like every month. And I canceled mine and it was super easy because I didn't have a need for it, you know. So I did cancel mine because I ordered enough cleaning supplies for, I don't know, a year now, for quite a while. So I'm just setting this up for the picture while I talk to you guys. Yeah, I mean, and I canceled it, and like within the same exact day, they answered me and they said, okay, that's fine, yep, we canceled it for you, everything's good to go. And I was like, okay, wow, that was faster, because I don't know, I figured it would be more of a hassle, I guess. Does that make sense? So yeah, this is what I got. I'm trying my best to set this up, and I'm kind of failing. Okay. This and this. $48. So a lot of it was free. If you guys have any questions, I can try to answer them, but it's, yeah, they do not smell like vinegar. I highly recommend the Myers brand in general. I think that either the pumpkin spice or the apple cider, or maybe both, are only for Grove Collaborative, and you can get free shipping. Super, my brain doesn't work. Anyway, if you guys have any other suggestions, let me know. I think I might do a video where I actually try to use this product and see if it cleans as well without the vinegar. I'm hoping it does, fingers crossed. But anyway, that is it. Please stay, subscribe, watch more videos. Bye, y'all. Love ya.